Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 10. Let's see what the question states. If y of alpha is given as under root of 2 tan alpha plus cot alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 upon sin square alpha, where alpha belongs to 3 pi by 4 2 pi, then dy by d alpha at alpha equal to 5 pi by 6 is. Let's start solving this. First, convert those things in terms of sine and cos, and what ends up happening is that the given equation gets transformed into y alpha equal to under root of 2 upon 2 into 1 upon sine alpha into cos alpha into 1 upon cos square alpha. So from here cos alpha gets cancelled out, plus 1 upon sine square alpha, and this term is cos x square alpha, and sine upon cos sine alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, but in this it's 2 into 1 upon tan alpha, and 1 upon tan alpha is cot alpha. So simply put this here and this here, so we end up getting 2 cot alpha plus cos x square alpha whole under root. Now this can be transformed as under root of 1 plus cot, cot alpha whole square. Now we are going to open the brackets. The value is going to be coming out in plus and minus, but we are going to consider minus because of the range given to us of the alpha. Now simply differentiate y with respect to alpha. Differentiation of 1 is going to be 0, and differentiation of cot alpha with respect to alpha is going to be minus cos x square alpha. Minus minus transforms to be plus. Now just enter the limits. Here alpha is given as 5 pi by 6. Just put the value of alpha here, and what ends up happening is that the value of dy by d alpha comes out to be 4.